Hello, modern Canadian living enthusiasts. It's that time of year again, and our friends at Apple have released more products. In this video, we'll be going over the iPhone 16 and specifically the iPhone 16 Pro. This is Apple's first phone built specifically with the A18 chip and designed for Apple Intelligence. We chose the Desert Titanium version 256GB model. This phone weighs in at just over 7 ounces, has a 6.3-inch display, Super Retina XDR, and it's an all-screen OLED display. It is splash, water, and dust resistant. The Apple Intelligence is ready to go, but in all honesty, we'll see how that turns out. So let's get started with the iPhone 16 Pro unboxing with the A18 Pro chip. First up, we have the USB-C charger. This is the 20-watt power adapter. Next up, we have a Apple MagSafe charger. This magnetically connects to the back of the phone for charging purposes. And lastly, the star of the show, the upside-down iPhone 16 Pro. Apple decided to put the front of the phone on the Pro and Pro Max models of this phone. The iPhone 16 and the iPhone 16 Plus both feature the back of the phone as the image on the front of the box. In true Apple fashion, we have the 2 pull tabs, so let's go ahead and tear those off and get our first looks at the iPhone 16 Pro. Woo-wee! Would you look at that? Taking the phone out of the box, we see it covered with the paper protection. Below that, we see the USB-C charging cable and the included SIM removal tool. Lastly, in the box, we do see the standard included iPhone documentation. And yes, I did say lastly, that's it. Apple, in their infinite wisdom, has decided to no longer include those famous stickers. And I, for one, know some people that'll be pretty upset that they're not getting any stickers this time. So with that part done, let's put the box out of the way and let's get right into the phone itself. Peeling off the protective cover sticker, we can see the 3 cameras on the back and the flash. The volumes and mute button on the left-hand side, the new action button and power button on the right-hand side. And it's shiny as always. Again, this is the Desert Titanium color. And for those of you who have had iPhones in the past, kind of looks like the old school layout, especially when you consider the iPhone 16 versus the iPhone 11, which was much more rounded and smoother corners.